Screen time will not cause permanent damage to the eyes, but it causes a lot of discomfort. Prolonged screen time can cause fatigue to start with, and eye strain, headache, blurring of vision. What happens is when we are looking at the screen for very long, we forget to blink. The normal rate of blinking comes down a lot while we are staring at the screen for long. Because of which there is rapid evaporation of your tear film. This leads to dry eye symptoms and blurring of vision. But none of this is a permanent damage. There are certain things you can do to take care of having to sit in front of screen for long. For example, first and foremost, you must place the monitor at a proper distance from the eye. There is this rule called elbow to wrist rule. So you measure one arm distance, approximately say 25 to 30 centimeter. It should be away from your eyes. Proper posture, sit straight, do not slouch, proper lighting in the room, and make a conscious effort to blink frequently whenever you're having to watch the screen. And there is another 20-20-20 rule. So after every 20 minutes of working on your electronic device, try to look at some object which is say 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This will give you a break from the monotonous looking at the screen for long. And blinking frequently. Apart from that, you can use some artificial tear drops. This also helps in maintaining lubrication of the eye. Other than this, you can also get some strain in your neck and wrist and shoulders from working on the electronic device. So few isometric exercises for the neck and shoulders, for the wrist can also be done. Simple things you can follow, because there is no way you can avoid the screen nowadays. Most of the job that we do, it requires us to look at screen for long. Take a few precautions.